We are about to see an entitled Karen getting served in Walmart by the police. She's standing there acting like a bitch and thinks she can get away with any. Well, can she? Let's find out.
Drop the knife now!
So for your information, she has a knife and she has been threatening other customers because she thinks she can. There's a 33-year-old woman called Brandy McGowan. So all that the officers want is for her to listen. But of course, she thinks she's above the law.
Drop it now!
Not impressed at all with your scream. So please continue.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife now!
No, you know what? I can just go ahead and not drop them, but cuss you out. Because who the hell are you standing there telling me what to do? I'm here the one telling people what to do. And that is just respect the hell out of it. Alright? I'm getting myself clear here. Who the hell are you anyway, Mr. Officer?
Drop it! Get back!
Not responsive at all. In a free state, like a animal that is being approached by a... Well, no. I won't drop the knife. No, I have a bad day, so this knife helps me get through.
Back up. Drop the knife now! Drop it! Drop the knife!
She kinda looks pregnant, or maybe she's a bit overweight. I have nothing to say about it, but maybe she's thinking that if she was pregnant, she's thinking, you know what, don't you see my big belly? Don't you see me? I'm pregnant. Leave me alone. It gives me the right to do what I want. How about that?
Drop the knife! Drop it now!
No! I won't. No, I'm not going to drop the knife. So you can just go ahead and just waste off your time, because there's nothing you can do about it. You know that you're not that impressed.
Put it down! Put the knife down!
I'm sorry, Mr. Officer, but your gun is not very impressive. I don't care. I'm Karen. Fuck off.
Put it down! Put the knife down!
Just as I said, there's nothing you can do about it. I'm just gonna stand here and do what I want.
Put it down now! Put the knife down!
Or if I put down the knife, maybe he will shoot me. I cannot let it happen. I will just hold it, no matter what.
Put it down!
Now I'm just gonna wave around a bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of swinging.
Put it down! Drop it! Drop the
Don't you know that I am Karen? Who are you?
knife! Put it down! Put the knife down!
Yeah, that's what she said. That's what I said, right? Why you just keep standing there? There's nothing you can do about it. I won't drop the knife.
Put the knife down!
No, I won't. You are causing a scene, Mr. Officer. What's up with that? Well, you are so crazy. I'm just standing here doing my grocery shopping with a knife in my hand. What's up? I don't do anything, right? You don't see me killing people, do you? No, so just why are you causing a scene? Do you hear that? I'm not a killer. I'm Karen. Alright? That's also with a K, but I'm not, you know, the one that ends with a L-E-R.
Drop the knife!
So what? What are you gonna do if I don't? Because I won't. I won't drop.
Drop the knife!
Oh my god. Do you see him? Do you see the lady over there? Huh. They're causing a scene. I don't believe it. I'm just here, just standing here, doing nothing in particular.
Drop the knife now!
Oh my god. I'm going to file a report about you. What the hell are you doing? Can't a woman do some grocery shopping with a knife in their hand? What the hell, man? It's just self-defense for people like you, officer. I need to defend myself because you just tase people all over the place when it's not needed.
Drop the knife!
Oh, well, I don't know if I will drop the knife now, because I need to clearly defend myself because you're gonna kill me. God damn it. God damn it, you piece. And I didn't even close up. It doesn't close, so I'm Karen. I can get away with it, alright? Because I say so. Thank you for watching. Leave a like.